Hello there everyone and welcome to our cocktail masterclass, and today we're going to be introducing you to one of our cocktails which is called Blueberry Smash. Right, let's just get into it. What you will need is a balloon glass, but however you can use any type of glass whatsoever. You could use just an old tumbler glass. You'll need some blueberries, some mint, and some equipment which you can also just makeshift at home, and you won't need the actual bartending equipment, so you can just work at your own pace. Right. One of the ingredients that you will be using today is a blueberry infused gin, and how to make this at home is you'll just have to grab some blueberries, whack them in the oven, and just put them in there for about 15 minutes until they get a bit mushy. Then you mix the blueberries with the gin, you mix together, and then you just strain them through either a strainer if you do have one, or you can just use a sieve. So to start off with, you need to add 8 blueberries, or you can just grab a handful and just put them in a glass. Once that is done, you need to grab your mint, and you need to grab about 8 mint leaves again, and you need to rub them all up. And you need to slap the mint leaves to release the oils inside of them. Put them in the glass. Then add half a shot of your sugar syrup. How you can make a sugar syrup at home as well, you don't actually need to buy the whole bottle. You just need to use 2 parts sugar and 1 part water. With some hot water, just mix it up and just let it sit until it cools down, and then you get your sugar syrup. Right, so you add half a shot of your sugar syrup. Then what you will need to do is muddle these ingredients. You could pretty much use anything you have to muddle these ingredients at home. You don't need to actually have a muddler as well. So just use it to muddle them up. So after you've muddled the ingredients, you need to add half a shot of elderflower cordial. Or what you can also add is just instead of normal tonic, you could just use elderflower tonic to get the same taste. Then you will need to add some ice. And then you need to put a double shot of your blueberry infused gin, which you pre-made already. Right, once you have all the ingredients all together, you need to give it a nice little stir to mix all the ingredients together. You don't need to shake this cocktail, and it's quite easy to do. Then you need to get your balloon glass, or any other glass really, which you are drinking your drink from. And then make sure you get all the bits out, like all the blueberries and mint. Then top up with some more ice. And then you need to just add your tonic. As I said, if you do not have your elderflower cordial, you could just add elderflower tonic. I'm using the Fever Tree normal tonic water. And then you just need to add your tonic water on top. And to garnish your drink, you will need a mint sprig. Before putting the mint sprig in, you need to flick the mint leaves to release the oils again. And add on some more blueberries on top. And this is how you get your blueberry smash.